So about 10 minutes up the road from our campsite in Traverse City, we have found ourselves in Elk Rapids. We're about to enter the Walk of Art Sculpture Park. Seeing danger signs over there by the water. All right, number 1. People and places. They name these things the weirdest stuff. Doesn't look like people or places. And that is a bike rack. That's not art. I mean, it's artful. I'm on the wrong side for the sign on this one. This one is called End Game. What? So this is in a red mood. Jimbo just said he's obsessed with looking for morel mushrooms. I'll pop up a picture here. We're just walking around the campground, walking the dog, and I found one. And then this morning I found another one. They even named the Walk of Art sign. The Walk of Art sign. All right, so it doesn't really tell us which way to go, huh? It seems like that road is way back out. I can hear the water. Prima Luce. I don't know. I don't know. There's a black squirrel. See if I can capture him. Sitting on the stump over there. And he's gone. Okay, this is called Bouquet. Or Bouquet. There's that squirrel again. And this one, helicopter seeds. Oh, have you ever seen the helicopter seeds? I think they're native over here. I don't know if I'm supposed to go this way, or is this just wanting to take me to the beach? I don't see sculptures. I see danger signs. This one called Determination. And what is this one? No name? Cool, and that one's a cool one. Oh, there's another cool face one. No sign. Let's follow Jimbo. Maybe we should get back on the path we were on? I see another one in the distance, but then I also see this. Well, there used to be one right there, I think. Huh. There's a start sign. What? We already started. Oh. This piece of art is called Start. Clever. Oh. There's one over here too. What'd you see, babe? Oh, the sign. It's like you gotta hide, find them. Yeah. Cardinals for Terry. Your life was a blessing, your memory a treasure. Okay. Oh. Back to back. All right. They're hidden. Some of them. It looks like the same thing as the other one, only more in rainbow colors. Yeah. Rainbow meditation. Or mediation. Sorry, I read that wrong. We'll call this one the bathroom. Be a nice little place to bring the dog to walk, like if you lived around here. I'm sure they do. This one's called Trilogy, The Power of Three. If we're going to find our way out once we get in here. Orb and Spire. Oh, see the spire you can't really. And a backlit there. This one's called Bowling Ball Flowers. Oh, look at all the white flowers. So pretty. Wow. I was gonna say, I don't see any more art. Maybe we should turn around, but then I just saw something. I hope he's friendly. Wendigo. I like it. I like my forest with a little bit of art. We are close to the road though. Turn around. Oh. Maybe. Not really sure. I feel like if ticks wanted a place to live, this would be a good place. Yeah. Kind of glad we didn't bring the dog. We are both a little paranoid about the dog getting ticks now. Oh, there is some art right here. Oh geez, it's hard to keep a trail. This one's called Bud. Jitterbug. Oh, this one's made of wood. Oh, he's so cute. Alien. Made of cedar. Now we oh, that one's pretty. Oh. Tree branches. They're so pretty. Even without the art, it's a nice little path. Oh, this one's called Levels of Advancement. And that's made out of spalted maple. I've never heard of spalted maple. And there's one right across the way. Ooh. It's like a goblin. Oh, he's cute. Baby Bigfoot. I like him. Oh, Look at his hands. They're spoons. And his feet. And his face. So cute. Oh, there's another one out there. Oh, wow. Out in the beach. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, Jimbo found a morel mushroom? Is that what you're saying? Oh, oh, there they are. That's a morel. They're a delicacy here. Wow. And there's another one. This is a jackpot right here. There's another one. Uh-oh. Somebody's collecting them. Here, right here. Right there. All right, I'm gonna go get this piece of art. It's like a giant bucket and shovel. Shovels. Oh, there's another piece. Oh. The sky's a little hazy because of the Canadian fires. This one's called Singing Pail of Dreams. I wonder if it sings. Alright, Jimbo's on a mushroom kick now. I gotta do art by myself. This one doesn't have a name. I don't see a sign. It's cool, it's moving. The wind is propelling it. There's another one over here, and then I gotta come back over to Jimbo because I see there's some inside the forest that we're missing along this line. Okay. This one is called Greetings from the Red Planet. Okay, how many mushrooms did you find? Oh my goodness. Look at you. I assume Jimbo's just going to be looking at the ground now. Everywhere we walk. Where's the sign? Oh, on the other side. Flat out. Brymore? Are we on the wrong side of this trail? Oh, that's easy. Oh, did we miss? No, we didn't miss anything. Just got to go catch that one, but I want to read this one's sign. Uh-oh. Did you drop one? No. Oh. Flat out. Oh, now I see it looks like a person on it. And this one, off balance. It is a little off balance. Infinite clearance. We need that for the RV. Infinite clearance. There is one right ahead. That's pretty interesting looking. Wonder what we're gonna call it. Sure, it's something good. Walker's Emergence of the Three Cities. Huh. What are they made of? Steel. Okay. That look like twigs. There are a ton of rocks on this beach. Can't really see them as well that way. I needed to come out here and see if there was any more art. There's something over here, but it looks like a memorial rather than a piece of art. It's hard not to look at the ground. So many rocks. So many rocks. is it? Guess it's not a memorial. Oh, there's like a dinosaur head. It's not part of the art installation thing, I don't think, though. How cute. Love it. All right. Time to blow this popsicle stand. Oh, there's more art. Sweet. Oh. Grand Traverse Bay Monolith. All right. Let's see if we can find any more on our way out. Let's see if we can find our way out. Yeah. I don't remember where we dropped in. The entrance. Okay, I think there's the pet owner sign. I think we turn left here to get out. All right, now where do we park? We think it's right there. Well, that was a nice little walk through some art.
Yes, it was.
Thank you for taking me. Tell them bye, babe.
Bye, babe.